I'm set up for the composition. This is what I'm looking at. I want to do it as a two-part image, two different shots, and I'm going to stack them together. I'm going to focus on the main subject, and I'm really putting an emphasis on the central trunk or stem, however you prefer to call it, because I really love the detail and all the twisting, and like it's kind of swirling around, almost like a double helix, if you will. It's just very beautiful, and the details are so small but so important. So I'm gonna make the first image focused on that, remote, so there's no shaking at all. Simple as that. And then I'm gonna focus the foreground. There we go. And it's done.